Will Rolls-Royce's UltraFan revolutionize aviation? The aviation industry is shifting towards fuel-efficient, eco-friendly engines, and Rolls-Royce is at the forefront with its UltraFan engine. This groundbreaking technology could make General Electric's GE9X obsolete as Rolls-Royce challenges the status quo. Known for its luxury and high-performance engines, Rolls-Royce is now aiming to replace workhorses like the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320 with the UltraFan. But how can such a massive engine fit on smaller aircraft? The UltraFan's technology is designed to be adaptable, potentially scaled down for narrow-body planes like the 737 and A320. However, Rolls-Royce will face stiff competition from major players like Pratt and Whitney and CFM with their own advanced engine designs. Rolls-Royce has traditionally focused on wide-body aircraft, powering models like the Boeing 777 and Airbus A350. However, smaller, narrow-body planes have been outselling wide-bodies, and Rolls-Royce has missed out on this growing market, hurting their bottom line. This gap became especially evident in 2011 when Pratt and Whitney took over Rolls-Royce's share in the AIE Phi-2500 project, which powered planes like the A320. Since then, Rolls-Royce has needed to pivot, and the UltraFan is their answer. Initially, the UltraFan was seen as a direct competitor to Pratt and Whitney's turbofan, and Boeing had planned to use it in their new mid-sized airplane, NMA. However, in 2022, Boeing delayed their NMA project, pushing back Rolls-Royce's timeline. Despite this, Rolls-Royce continues to push forward, believing the UltraFan will revolutionize the industry once it's ready. The UltraFan specs are impressive. With a 140-inch fan diameter, 6 inches larger than GE's GE9X, it produces 85,000 pounds of thrust, with potential for 110,000 pounds in flight. The engine uses carbon composite blades, improving efficiency by 10% over the Trent XWB, and delivers a 25% fuel efficiency gain. Plus, it runs on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, a critical step toward achieving net zero emissions by 2050. While Rolls-Royce is innovating with its 3-spool jet engine design and lean burn combustor to reduce emissions, they'll need to scale down the UltraFan to compete in the narrow-body market. If they succeed, Rolls-Royce could become a dominant force in the aviation industry. Do you think the UltraFan will transform aviation? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.